Fix your golf swing, stabilize your wrists, and improve shot consistency instantly. That's what the Swing Lock Pro training aid promises. But does it actually help golfers, or is it just another gimmicky gadget? So Swing Lock Pro is typically marketed as a golf wrist support or swing training aid that attaches to your arm or club to keep your wrists and hands in the correct position during swing. The idea is to promote better control consistency and swing mechanics while practicing. Products in this category aim to build muscle memory so golfers repeat a more stable swing. There are a few potential benefits. Wrist position training aids can help golfers maintain proper hand alignment and hinge movement. They can encourage better muscle memory during practice sessions, and training aids in general can improve technique if used consistently over several weeks. For beginners, this type of tool can help highlight common swing mistakes, but there are some realistic limitations. A training aid cannot fix all swing problems like timing, grip, or weight transfer. Improvements often don't fully transfer to real play without practice without the aid, and many similar golf gadgets online are rebranded versions of inexpensive training tools. Even golfers online say training aids mainly help for warm-up or practice drills, not instant swing fixes. So is Swing Lock Pro the perfect hand support for golfers? Probably not. It can help with practice and wrist awareness, but it's not a miracle solution for improving your golf game. The bottom line, Swing Lock Pro is basically a standard golf swinging training aid, useful for drills, but the marketing claims are a bit exaggerated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.